So in college, I was a government major, which means I had to write a lot of papers. I would have it all ready to go, but then actually the paper would come along, and then I would kind of do this. But then came my 90-page senior thesis, a paper you're supposed to spend a year on. So I planned things out, and I decided it kind of had to go something like this. One day I woke up with 3 days until the deadline, still not having written a word, and so I did the only thing I could. I wrote 90 pages over 72 hours, pulling not one but 2 all-nighters. Now, I had a hypothesis that the brains of procrastinators were actually different than the brains of other people. And so here's the brain of a non-procrastinator. Now, here's my brain. There is a difference. The procrastinator's brain also has an instant gratification monkey. The monkey doesn't like that plan, so he actually takes the wheel. The fun you have in the dark playground isn't actually fun because it's completely unearned, and the air is filled with guilt, dread, anxiety, self-hatred, all those good procrastinator feelings. And the question is, in this situation, with the monkey behind the wheel, how does the procrastinator ever get himself over here to this blue zone? A less pleasant place, but where really important things happen. Well, turns out that the procrastinator has a guardian angel, someone who's always looking down on him and watching over him in his darkest moments, someone called the panic monster. Now, the panic monster is dormant most of the time, but he suddenly wakes up anytime a deadline gets too close. He's the only thing that the monkey is terrified of. Now, that I don't think non-procrastinators exist. But remember, the monkey's sneakiest trick is when the deadlines aren't there. I call this a life calendar. That's one box for every week of a 90-year life. We need to think about what we're really procrastinating on.